In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to click on Privacy Controls. Hit Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and pick one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. Allow or don't allow. Then go back or select See All Maps Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!